LCC Foundation aims to assist in the basic health and nutrition programs, environmental protection services, and empowering them for building better communities. We are strongly committed in the development of sustainable, environmentally sound society. We are always active in responding in times of disasters as part of our social responsibility. In LCC Foundation, we care, we share. We seek everyone to be our partners in our endeavor and be one with us in bringing more smiles to our fellow Filipinos for today and beyond.